just one thing bad about having a project take up your entire garage is when you have other projects. When I have other projects like my GMC here, I gotta do brakes. I hate doing brakes. But the rotors were warped. There's the old one right there. Rotor was warped, starting to make the truck shake a little bit as it came to a stop. Actually, a lot of it. It was actually getting kind of bad. I had them replaced last year from the place where we bought the truck. I'm thinking they just turned them real quick and then sent it back out, or just got the cheapest ones they could find. So I bought some upgraded ones. Hopefully that'll help. And then, so I'm gonna replace all the rotors today. It's gonna be not fun. I do not like doing brakes. Actually, I hate doing brakes. I love making an engine run good and drive and go fast and whatever. That's fun. For some reason, making something slow down is just not fun to me. Pet peeve of mine. I don't like doing brakes. I don't like pumping brakes. I don't like bleeding brakes. I don't like any of it. I don't know why. I sure like having them. I sure love having them, and I'm thankful for them when they work. But man, I don't like brakes. But so today was like a real cringy, mad. Woke up mad, drank my coffee mad, went to the parts store mad, got everything I needed mad. Doing this is not hard. It's, you know, I've only been out here for about 20 minutes. And I already got this one swapped over. But man, I just don't like doing it. I don't know why. You gotta take the tire off. It's just a whole problem. I don't like it. I'm being a baby today, if you can tell. So I got 3 more to go. Just gotta put the caliper back on this one. And 3 more to go all the way around. So that ought to be fun. What are you doing, dummy?
I think he likes the sand.
He likes it out here, huh?
I think he likes the sand.
Yeah, he does, huh? He's a silly dog. All right, man. What we got behind us there, Tyler?
My 1998 Jeep Cherokee.
Yeah, he got his Jeep Cherokee. I kind of showed it in one little video, but it was finally a nice day. So we were like, man, let's take it out to the desert. Brought a couple of guns with us and really wanted to check this thing out. Now this is a fixer-upper. It's the older model. It's a 98.
And they're popular for getting upgrades.
Yeah, a lot of upgrades for these things. They make and build everything. I mean, of course, everybody knows that, but she needs some work. She needs some work. All right, Tyler's got his new car out here. His Jeep Cherokee. We're gonna mess around. He wants to climb some hills with it, poor guy. So we're gonna go ahead and let him. Easy, easy. Don't let it spin too much. Ah, that's good. Reverse. Turn this way. There you go, just like that. Don't let him slide, just let it roll. Yeah, we definitely got some upgrades to do. So we got some upgrades to do. But I think it's going to be a good little rig.
That's my window.
Window doesn't work.
This one and that one over here.
That's all right. We'll fix it all. Don't worry. Don't you worry. Yeah, so Tyler's super excited. He wants to go hang out. He hasn't even asked me, but I know he's been wanting to drive his Jeep. So, like, hey, man, it's actually a nice day. It's not too muddy. Let's go out here, find you a couple of hills. Maybe we can do it before and after. Before and after some upgrades. We're not getting carried away with this thing. Like a 32-inch, 33-inch tire is the most we're gonna put on it. Yeah, he's, you know, when you're 16, well, he's 15. You know, when you're 15, all you want to do is drive. So why not let the kid come out here and drive his first truck, first car, and have some fun. That's basically all we're doing today. Just goofing off on a Sunday. I know he can climb that hill. I don't want him to. I know really he just needs second gear. He's topped out in first gear. If he hit second gear, he'd climb right up it, but I don't want him to get too carried away. Learn all the tricks too soon. Just desert fun. That's all it is. We were gonna bring four-wheelers and everything, and I was just too lazy to load them up. Didn't really want to. Kaylee's out here. It's the first time she's been out and about. She hasn't been feeling good, so she's still getting better. He's not gonna stop now. He is not gonna stop now. Now I can't get him out of that thing. That's awesome. I'm glad he's into it. He really wanted the Jeep Cherokee. I really thought he was gonna want a square body, which he does, but there's no way for him to pay for one and do all that. So figured Jeep Cherokee might be a little cheaper. Probably not after he breaks it 100 times. But we're gonna paint it and fix it up, do some stuff to it, so that ought to be cool.
Oh, I had it.
Whoa.
Get it. Got it.
Told you, you just got hit a little harder.
Well, see, I'm not experienced like
I
you.
know, I'm not making fun of you. That's cool.
I was not expecting.
I didn't want you to just go hauling butt everywhere. I told you you could make it though.
I didn't expect for that to happen. I barely got the camera out in time.
Oh no, so we gotta do it again? Darn it.
But let me do it.
No, thank you.
This is my Jeep, sir.
Oh, what's that? I didn't say you couldn't. Just saying, not right now.
Thanks. Uh-oh. There you go. I don't know how he did that.
Been since high school since I rode in a Cherokee. Yeah, they ride the same. Kind of like crap. Yeah, this is awesome. I didn't get a four-wheel drive when I was 16. Made me so mad. I wanted one so bad. I got a Ford Ranger. It was really nice. It was a 92 Ford Ranger. It was blue. It was Bigfoot blue. It was everything I wanted except it wasn't four-wheel drive. Dang it. Had 4-cylinder with 8 spark plugs. I don't know why 4-cylinder needed 8 spark plugs, but apparently Ford said it did. And that thing was a gutless wonder. But it had a 5-speed with a clutch. I was happy. Only thing it didn't have was 4-wheel drive. That was all I wanted so bad. It is beautiful today. Just beautiful. Beautimus. Oh look, there's your mom and everybody way down there. Okay, now what gear do you want to be and go down the hill? Yeah. I'll just throw her down into one. Anything gets crazy, just let off the brake. Just let it roll. You're fine. If it starts sliding, just kind of let it slide. Don't lock up the brakes. You're locking the brakes up a little bit. See how you're at 0 RPMs? See, now you can hear it. You gotta keep your eye on that. You gotta listen to stuff. You don't want to slide down the hill. You want to at least let your tires roll a little bit so you can get some grip'ems. You gotta get them grip'ems, son. Can't do nothing without grip'ems. These things are really capable just the way they are. You throw a locker in this thing, it'll go places you wouldn't even think it would go. That's all my buddies had. They had like little lift kits and stuff, but they just had them locked up, Lincoln locked. Dude, those things would go everywhere. Temperature good, everything's good. You look at your gauges. Always watch your gauges. Especially when you're just creeping around. Well, I'm gonna let Tyler try this little ravine here. Ain't too crazy, but that way he gets a feel for when the truck's flexed up and spinning tires and it pulls a tire, because it pulls a tire right here in this little spot. And he needs to learn throttle control. He's getting into a bind where he lifts the wheel up and the tires spin because it doesn't have lockers, and he just he gasses it. Not good to do. It's a good way to break stuff. So here we go. No gas, just easy. Yeah. Turn hard. Yep, perfect. Climbing these big hills when you're a fat guy like me is hard. But I know that if my dad would have got me a four-wheel drive and let me come out here and drive in the desert, you damn right I'd be out here. I'd have been out here cruising. Or I know when I turned 16, if I would have got a Jeep Cherokee, this is where I would have brought it. First thing, no doubt. We always did a bunch of four-wheel drive stuff. I've always been a huge fan of full-size, full drive stuff, so I guess when your son wants a Cherokee, just let him get one, I guess. That's cool. Got some work to do to this baby. Mm-hmm. What do you think?
It's going good. Ran good today.
That's pretty good, even stock, huh?
Mm-hmm. Can't wait.
We haven't really tested out too hard, but
Can't wait to paint it.
Paint it?
Yeah.
I like it just the way it is.
Imagine it white.
You want it white?
And purple.
White and purple.
White with, like the 55.
You can't have it the same as me.
No, but like, not like how you have it, but like just pinstripes.
Oh, you want it white? Hi, boo-boo.
Like
There's a little blue way up there.
Like a pinstripe just down the center line.
Come over here, baby. You're too far. Come on over here. Come down. Not red? Not red?
Put it down in the comments.
I like red.
I don't like the red.
You don't like red? Why? White's not bad. I like white. Like I always said, white's my favorite color on a pickup truck for some reason. Just clean. Then I don't have to clean it as much. You got to worry about it. But like I said, I don't know anything about these, really. I'm a full-size, full drive guy. All I know is they make a lot of parts for them, and they will literally pretty much go anywhere you want to point it. Even right now, it's pretty capable rig. Like, it'll go wherever.
Yeah, just with a little bit of a
So if I was a teenager and you were wanting to get into four-wheel drives, I would honestly say that would be your... That's a good place to start right there, is a Jeep Cherokee.
Just enough to make it look a little bit less...
Well, I think that's technically like a 32 right there. So, yeah, probably put a 33 and...
Less, I don't know the word. Lame.
It's not lame, it's cool, man.
It's
your first car.
Yeah, I know, but the stock stance on it, I'm not a fan of the stock.
Are you going to do like the giant luggage rack and stuff on the top?
On the top, probably.
Yeah. Put your camping stuff up there and when you go camping.
Yeah. And then
by yourself, no girls. No girls camping.
I don't know.
There ain't no, I don't know, I'm telling you. Ain't going to happen, Captain. Yeah. Yeah, that's a perfect little rig for a, 15, 16-year-old, 17-year-old. Want to go four-wheeling on the weekends and still, you know, drive it around town, go to school, do all your stuff. They're not the best on gas mileage.
Never know.
I heard there's some tricks that you have to do to them too, though. Like, there's stuff that you need to upgrade on them, but whatever.
Okay.
Shut up.
Let's see. Hi. You didn't say when.
Was I supposed to?
Yeah?
No.
You're supposed to say shooting.
Oh, shooting. Shooting, everybody. Shooting. Now it's going to take me a half hour to find it again. Okay, ready?
Yep.
I don't know if I can say shooting and pull the trigger. Ready? Shooting! Oh, no. Okay, ready?
That's better. Mucho bettero.
I hit it.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh. Very nice.
The back
My turn.
moved around. Hey, y'all, you get your own now. All right. You didn't say shooting! There's another one in there.
Uno más.
What do you need that little door for, wimp?
Shut up. Shooting.